Welcome to Road Warriors, the ultimate destination for machines that dominate land, sky, and everything in between. Today, we take a closer look at one of the most iconic and feared main battle tanks in modern warfare, the 2025 M1 Abrams. This beast has evolved with cutting-edge upgrades, pushing the limits of what a modern combat vehicle can do. With a perfect blend of brute force, intelligent systems, and futuristic design, the Abrams is back, and it's more lethal than ever. At first glance, the 2025 M1 Abrams retains its classic aggressive look but with a futuristic touch. The upgraded armor is sleeker and smarter, featuring modular composite plating that enhances protection against kinetic and explosive threats. Its new thermal cloaking system makes it harder for enemy sensors and drones to pick up, especially in combat zones packed with infrared and radar surveillance. On top, you'll notice the Israeli-developed Trophy Active Protection System, capable of detecting and neutralizing incoming missiles before they reach the hull. It's like the tank has a personal force field, protecting it even before the crew knows there's danger. Underneath all that armor is an upgraded Honeywell LV100-5 gas turbine engine, still delivering that monstrous 1,500 horsepower. But this time, it's paired with a hybrid electric drive system, offering better fuel efficiency and the ability to operate silently in low-speed tactical situations. This feature gives it a stealthy edge, ideal for ambushes or sneaking into position without giving away its location. Despite weighing over 70 tons, it can hit up to 45 miles per hour on road and maintain impressive mobility off-road, thanks to its advanced suspension and weight distribution system. Firepower is where the Abrams truly shines. Its upgraded 120mm XM360 smoothbore cannon can fire everything from high-velocity kinetic rounds to programmable airburst shells designed for modern battlefield challenges. The main gun is complemented by a new automatic loading system, reducing reload time and minimizing crew exposure. Above the turret, you'll find a remote-operated .50 caliber machine gun and coaxial secondary armament, both controlled from within the armored crew compartment. An advanced fire control system with thermal imaging, laser rangefinders, and AI-assisted targeting allows the Abrams to hit targets accurately while on the move, even in complete darkness or poor weather. Inside, the tank has undergone a digital revolution. The crew now operates in a fully connected environment, surrounded by high-resolution displays, smart helmets with HUD overlays, and touchscreen control panels. The tank is integrated with a battlefield network, allowing real-time data sharing with command units, drones, and nearby forces. This digital backbone gives the crew a 360-degree view of the environment, and the ability to make split-second decisions based on live intel. The 2025 M1 Abrams isn't just a tank, it's a technological juggernaut.